Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are exploring how to create a business case study visual using Super Zoom in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load the case study image. I pause because case studies must feel credible. I convert the layer to a smart object to protect quality. I open Camera Raw Filter and slowly activate Super Zoom. I increase zoom carefully and stop. Business visuals should explain, not exaggerate. I reduce noise and smooth edges. I zoom into charts and key details. Everything stays readable. I slightly pull back zoom to keep realism. I add a soft vignette to guide